In this video, we shall replace the system cover on a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. Today we're going to be looking at an R6715 and doing teardown procedures for that system. First, we'll rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Then lift the latch and lift the cover to remove it. To install the cover, align it with the system and lower it into place. Then lower the latch. Then rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.